Good day and welcome to the Math Salon. I'm Dr. Anumendem. We'll look at two ordinary level questions today on matrices. So the first question says, given that the matrix P is 2, 3, 1, 4, M is A, B, minus 1, 2, and N is minus 1, 10, minus 3, 10, and that PM is equal to N. So P multiplied by M is equal to N. Find A and B. So we have to look for this 2 here. What's important is to remember how to multiply matrices. To be able to multiply matrices like P multiplied by M means we would expect that the number of columns of P should be equal to the number of rows of M for that to happen. I'm going to show that a little here. So this is P here. So that is 2, 3, 1, 4. It has to be multiplied with A, B, minus 1, 2. Let's first do this multiplication. So this is my P here, this is my M there. For this multiplication to hold, then the number of columns here must match the number of rows. I have 2 columns and I have 2 rows, so that is possible. So how do we do it? I take this and I multiply with that. So that's how it goes. So these 2 will multiply this A plus 3 multiplied by this, and that will be the answer for the first element in the new matrix. So my first element here is 2 times A, which is 2A, plus 3 times minus 1, that's minus 3. So that's the first element there. Then I take this and multiply with this. So 2 times B is 2B, and 3 times 2 is plus 6. So this multiplied by this gives me the first, this multiplied by that gives me this one. Then I go to the next one. So this, I do the same thing, I take this with that. So 1 times A is A, plus 4 times minus 1 is minus 4. I do the same with this. So 1 times B is B, plus 4 times 2 is 8. So these are the elements of my new matrix. But we have been told that this is equal to N. So I'll put N there, minus 1, 10, minus 3, 10. 2 matrices are only equal if their corresponding elements are equal. So this must be equal to minus 1. That means 2A minus 3 is equal to minus 1. If I take minus 3 to this side, it becomes plus 3. So I get 2A is equal to minus 1 plus 3, and that is 2. If I divide both sides by 2, then this cancels. A is equal to 1. You can take this one that it has B. So that means here 2B plus 6 is equal to 10. If I take 6 this way, it becomes 2B is equal to 10 minus 6, and that is 4. And if I divide both sides by 2, then my B is equal to 2. So A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. Let's see the second one here. Given the matrices P, this, and Q, that, find the product. So once again, write my 1, minus 1, minus 1, 2. And this is 3 minus 1. I have 2 columns here and 2 rows, so we can multiply. So I will take again this and go with that. So 1 times 3 is 3. Minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. That's the first entry, first element in this matrix. Then I will take this and I do the same thing. Minus 1 times 3 is minus 3. And 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. So if I simplify this, then I get 4 and minus 5. If you notice, it seems there's a pattern here. When I multiply this P by this, I get a 2 by 2 matrix. When I multiply this by this, I get a 2 by 1 matrix. So your answer is always a dimension of this one. Please, if you like it, remember to give us thumbs up, subscribe, and share and discuss with your friends. Thank you.